What do we have coming up in just a bit from now? We've got the first rate starting to tick in, 25,170. Nifty Bank is up about 0.8% as well, I think. So just settling down there on the Nifty Bank. Yep, now you got a firm 0.8. So both are starting very, very strong. Small cap index is up even better, 1.2%. The mid cap index is up about 1% or so as well. So this is the overall picture on the indices which are starting up. Right out of the gates, I mean, it's everything up. Some 8 is to, not 8 actually, some 15 is to 1 kind of advances decline ratio. But this is just the first 30, 40 seconds that we're looking at. Heat map on your screen in a bit should give you a sense. I think it should be all up kind of a day. We'll just have a look at that. Okay, you've got 2 names down. One is the oil producer, the other is NTPC. But apart from that, 48 out of the 50 names starting the day in the green. And we are past that 25,222 level, which is the first resistance for the market. Let's see if you're able to hold on to these gains. Surabhi.
Yeah, it's an all-green kind of a day. Take a dart, throw it anywhere. It'll land on the green side of the board, that sort of a day. In terms of sectors, by the way, PSU banks are having a very good start. PSU banks and PSUs in general, UCO Bank, Aircon, Union Bank, lots and lots of those stocks on the upside. And of course, there are the PSU oil refiners, HPCL, IOC, and BPCL. Nigel was alerting us about them in the morning. And indeed, they're up between 3 and 4%. So PSU pack is looking good. On the Nifty, everything is up, but the biggest gains coming in for Adani Ports, 4.5% up on that stock. There's Shriram Finance, about 3% up. Geo Finance, Adani Enterprises also. There's Ultratech Cement, it's M&M, JSW Steel, I mean, you name it, it's just a long list of winners. IT is also fairly strong this morning. TCS, Wipro, these stocks are up between 1 to 1.5%. You've got Reliance up about 1%, SBI, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, all 1% gainers, so looking really good. The only stock that's down, obviously ONGC is not a surprise, down about 2%. NTPC is down 2.7%. We'll just look a little deeper into this and see if there's any particular reason. About 3% lower on NTPC, making it the biggest loser right now on the Nifty. But otherwise, solid looking screen. 260 points higher on the Nifty, Nigel.
Well, that's right. From the broader markets, a few more stocks just to highlight. Enviro Infra Engineers, that stock is in focus. They've secured projects worth around 300 crores in Chhattisgarh. So that explains why Enviro Infra is higher in today's trading session. Idea Forge had a good close to trade yesterday. The stock, I think, has more than doubled from the recent close. Today, as well as opening on high volume. So Idea Forge as well as higher. Let's pull both those two up. Enviro Infra as well as Idea Forge. Both of them should come up for you on the screen. You have Bagel Projects, that's won an order yesterday. I think we have the management schedule later today. That stock, in fact, is up and about in today's trading session. So solid up move is what we're seeing on that particular name. And the other one is Avalon. Nimesh had alerted that could be a large trade. I think that large trade has taken place, on that particular name. So Avalon as well is a little bit low, but that's courtesy the large trade that we've seen. KPIT Technologies, commentary a little bit skittish. The street is taking no note of that. The stock we're talking about is Avalon. So pull up Avalon. KPIT is lower as well because of the skittish commentary. But all in all, a solid start to trade. We hope that we end closer to these levels. The crude sensitives, well, they are on fire. OMC is up and about. BPCL, HPCL, IOC, all up between 3 to around 5%.
All right, we've got the market holding on so far. 250 odd points in the 250 odd points higher is what you have. I mean, the other one is Indigo, which is up about 3.5%. By the way, Indigo is the largest volume-led gainer right now. So it's a pretty straightforward kind of screen. Adani Ports, interestingly, is the other one, right? I mean, they've got, that port in Israel, which they operate. So that's up about 4% as well. I mean, the oil stocks, of course, are there. What else? I mean, Page Industries is up 3.5%. Mangalam was talking about Page. Hitachi is up 3%. Union Bank is up 3%. JM Financial is up about 5%. And you go down the list, Aarti is up 4%, PG Electroplast is up 3%. Lots of stuff coming through. And this is early on, in the first couple of minutes of trade. K Fintech is up about 2.5%. So lots and lots of movers at this point in time. And of course, it's predominantly on the upside, nothing very much on the downside at all. I mean, some reversal. So I was talking about defense, right? I mean, if defense should go up as conflicts rise, they should perhaps cool off a little bit as conflicts abate. Cochin is down 1, Garden Reach is down 3.5, HAL is down 1.5, Mazgaon is down 1.7, BEML is down 2.5, Bharat Dynamics is down about 2.5%. So if you look at the defense names, they're all kind of seeing a little bit of profit booking, nothing very much. I mean, you know, they've all been such big winners. MRPL and CPCL, Chennai Petro, were both up between 7 and 10% yesterday. I think they're also cooling it a little bit, apart from the straightforward oil producers like ONGC and Oil India, which are down 2.5% and 3.5% respectively as well. So, as I said, it's a thematic kind of a day, but there is a broad lift coming through as well. 25, 240 is where we're at.